Hi there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to block Minecraft in Google search using xFanatical Safe Dock. Minecraft is a popular sandbox video game that enables players to explore, build, and create in a block-based virtual world. On Google search, Minecraft has a special feature known as the replay animation button, which allows users to directly play the Minecraft game on the Google search page. While this feature might be appealing for entertainment, it can quickly divert students' attention away from their academic tasks. Unfortunately, Google does not provide an administrative tool to disable this feature. That's where xFanatical's Safe Dock comes for the rescue. Using Safe Dock's administrators can disable the replay animation button in Google search, by which students will no longer have the option to access the game through the search page, ensuring their focus remains on educational activities. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Google Search Minecraft policy and setting the value to True, you can block Minecraft in Google search easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.